Updating your email address on LinkedIn is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to ensure your contact information is current. Step 1. Log into your account. Visit the LinkedIn website or open the LinkedIn app and log in using your current credentials. Step 2. Access your profile. Click on your profile picture or the Me icon at the top of the homepage to navigate to your profile. Step 3. Go to Settings and Privacy. In the drop-down menu, select Settings and Privacy. This will take you to your account settings where you can manage your information. Step 4. Update email addresses. In the Account tab, find the Email Addresses section. Here, you can add a new email address or edit your existing one. Follow the prompts to verify any new email address you add. Step 5. Save changes. After updating your email address, make sure to save any changes. You may need to confirm the new email address through a verification email sent by LinkedIn. By following these steps, you can easily keep your LinkedIn account updated with your current email address. Regularly checking and updating your contact information helps maintain your professional connections.